Hey YouTube, what's going on? I hope you're doing okay. Today we have another traditional meal from the Libyan cuisine. We call it haraimi. It's one of the best traditional dishes in the Libyan kitchen, and I will tell you the real secret for this recipe. So watch the video till the end, and if you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification. First of all, we need a medium amount of cooking oil, and in a low heat we add 1 or 2 pieces of fresh pepper, and we leave it for about 1 to 2 minutes. We don't leave it too much because we don't want it to burn or to take the brown color. And then we need to use some fresh garlic. We need to mash some fresh garlic, and it's supposed to be fresh. We mash the garlic to become like this, and then we add teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of hot chili pepper and a teaspoon of cumin powder, and we mix it together with the mashed garlic. Then in another plate we add about 2 spoons of tomato paste, and we add all the ingredients that we mixed together, the garlic and the seasons, and we mix it together with a little bit of water. We add about 2 to 3 spoons of water, and we mix it together, the garlic and the tomato paste. Then we add the ingredients that we are already mixed to the oil that we leave it on a low heat. We add it to it and we leave it in the oil. We keep moving it for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we add a little bit of water. We don't add too much water, we need it to stay thick, so we add a little bit of water and keep adding the water in small amounts. Then we come to the fish. I use this kind of fish. I don't know the real name for it, so I google it. I find they call it sea dream. I don't know about it. Please tell us in the comment below what this fish called in your country, or what's the name of this fish. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. We have a new video every week, and we will be happy if you join us. We clean the fish from the inside and from the outside, and we cut the head and a little bit from the body with the head, because we will cook only the head of the fish. The rest of the fish we will keep it and we will use it in another dish. After that we add the 2 heads. I will use here 2 from this fish. I will add it to the sauce that already is on low heat, and we only leave it for 10 minutes. And this is the secret for this recipe: you cannot let it cook for more than 10 minutes. You let the fish only cook for 10 minutes and you turn the heat off, and it's ready to go, because if you cook it more than 10 minutes it will not be delicious. So guys, this is our recipe and this is our dish for the day. And if you ever tried it before, please let us know in the comment below. Please hit a like and share this video with your friend to try this recipe, and tell us if you need any specific recipe or any specific dishes, and see you guys in another video.